How do NoSQL databases compare 4 different use cases? Imagine building a system that needs to handle millions of data points every second, or one that must adapt quickly to changing data types. NoSQL databases are designed to meet these kinds of challenges. They come in different types, each suited to specific tasks, so choosing the right one can make your backend much easier to manage and faster to respond. Let's start with document databases, like MongoDB. These store data as flexible, semi-structured documents, usually in a format similar to JSON. They are perfect when your application needs to handle diverse data types or frequently changing schemas. For example, content management systems or online stores with lots of product details often use document databases because they can easily adapt to new product attributes without changing the database structure. They are also great for rapid prototyping, since you can add new fields without hassle. Next, wide column stores, such as Apache Cassandra, organize data into rows and columns grouped into column families. They are built for large-scale distributed systems that need to handle a lot of writes and reads at the same time. These are ideal for Internet of Things applications that collect sensor data constantly, or social media platforms that need to process millions of posts and interactions daily. Their architecture allows them to scale horizontally, meaning you can add more servers to increase capacity without much trouble. Then there are key-value stores like Redis or Amazon DynamoDB. These associate simple keys with values, making them super fast for lookups. They are often used for caching data, managing user sessions, or storing shopping cart information. Because they are in memory, they can deliver very low latency, which is essential for real-time applications. However, their storage capacity depends on available memory, so they work best when data size is manageable. Graph databases, such as Neo4j, are built to handle complex relationships between data points. They representing data as nodes and edges, making it easy to traverse connections quickly. These are perfect for social networks, recommendation engines, or fraud detection systems, where understanding how data points relate is more important than the data itself. When it comes to performance, most NoSQL databases support horizontal scaling. This means they spread data across multiple servers, helping handle large traffic spikes or huge datasets. For example, Cassandra's architecture allows it to grow linearly as you add more servers, maintaining high availability and fast writes. Document databases like MongoDB can also scale well, but often requiring sharding strategies to manage very large datasets. In terms of data consistency, NoSQL databases often favor eventual consistency over strict, immediate consistency. This allows them to stay available and partition-tolerant even when parts of the system are temporarily unreachable. This flexibility is useful in systems like social media or real-time analytics, where data arrives from many sources and must be processed quickly. Finally, choosing the right NoSQL database depends on your specific needs. If your application involves varied data types and rapid changes, a document database is a good fit. For massive, write-heavy workloads, wide column stores excel. If you need fast lookups of simple data, key-value stores are ideal. And if your project revolves around complex relationships, graph databases are the way to go. Matching the database type to your use case helps you build a backend that is both efficient and easier to maintain.